Hi, what's up? How is going? Today's video, this is the last episode of the, you know, uh, lessons we've been going through the past days now, called typography, series. Today is the last, episode of the series that we've continued, in the past days. So today is the end of it all. So right now we are going to really look at letter Z and turn it into a global, logo here in CorelDraw here in CorelDraw 2022. So without further ado, let's step into it. So let's zoom up. The first step right now is to go over to your rectangle tool, select that, then you go over, hold Control keyboard to create, then you drag like so to create a square object. So let's make that white, then set the outline to grayscale. So after that is done, point your mouse, select your pick tool, point your mouse to the tip of the object, then you hold Control key on keyboard, flip to the other side, right click when you get to that side, automatically copy paste. So let's use hold Control key on keyboard, then tap on arrow for a repeat. Automatically it repeats itself just like so. So when you are done, select everything together, Ctrl G, then you go over, point your mouse to the tip of the object just like so, hold Ctrl key, then you drag down to flip downward, right click when you get to destination, automatically paste, then you hit hold Ctrl key on your keyboard, tap on arrow for a repeat, continuously till you are okay with it. So this is it. So let's group everything together, bring everything together, hit Ctrl G, automatically grouped. So right now let's step on creating set logo. So what we're going to be doing now is to grab tool, freehand tool, click on that. So all we need to do is to start from here, then you go over, when you get to a stage, double click, automatically you have it selected, then you go over, double click, then you go over and finish it all up right here. So what we are going to do is to go ahead and just right click on black. So we have it blacked already. So what we're going to be doing now is to go on to select your freehand tool again. So right from this point we are going to start from here all the way downward to this list, double click, then you go ahead and finish it all up. Double click right here with your Ctrl key, hold down your keyboard just like so, then you pull it all up, finish it up right there. Good. Mind you, what we are going to do right now is to select both objects, combine, Ctrl L on your keyboard, hold Ctrl key down your keyboard, then you hit on L, automatically combines, or you go over to the top of your go to the taskbar right here, then hit on combine, automatically combine. So right now what we are going to do right now is to give a point to make it thicker. Instead of going to this place to actually change it manually, and you can actually use your F12, hit on F12, a dialog pops up. On F12, a dialog pops up. So right here you can do what you want. So right now let's make it 50, then you go ahead and just hit OK. Let's see how it goes. So let's go over again. So mind you, what you are going to do is to actually have it rounded up right there. Good. Then you hit on this one. So good. Good. So it's okay. So right now what we are going to do is to actually have a line right here as well. So all we need to do is to go ahead and create a line just like so. That shouldn't have to be too long, so let it be somewhere around here. Then you right drag that on top of it, copy your properties, automatically it's copied. Then move this a bit closer to that, then you go over and bring this downward, right click, go and get your destination. Automatically you have it uh, copied. So what we are going to do right now is to actually combine all of this together. So let's combine. So that's that. So what we are actually going to be doing now is to actually appear this. Automatically you have it like that. I think that's smart a bit, so let's position it downward, make it bigger. Good. So right now what we're going to be doing is to go ahead and convert the outline to objects. Go ahead to object, then you go over convert outline to object. Automatically have it converted. I think we needed to just move this a bit closer to each other. So all we needed to do right now is to go ahead, select your what's it called, your pick tool. Then you go over and select the dot just like so. After you have selected everything, then you move it closer to each other. So good, nice one. I think that's nice. So let's go over and just convert the outline to object right from here, then make a copy outside. So right now we are done with the logo. So what we are going to do right now is to actually type words that goes along with it. So let's go over and type let's use zeros plus. So make it wider a bit. So what we are going to do right now is to change the plus to a grayscale, then bold. Let's bold zeros. Good. Center it all up with the logo. Can you see that looks global? So let's create an object on top of it. Hold Ctrl key with the help of a rectangle tool. After that is done, so let's make it black. So go ahead and make it the blackest black. Then you hold Ctrl key on your keyboard, then you tap on paint down. Automatically gets behind that. So let's make it white. Go ahead and you make zeros white. Good, nice one. So let's group, center it all up with the object, zoom down. So this is actually the finished point of what we have been designing so far. You can actually go on and create yours the exact same way I created it. So here we come to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. As I always say in my channel, see you in the next video. Bye for now.